Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are healthy and happy. Now I will show you how can we fix the file system error on Windows 11. Okay, stay connected with me and let's start. At first I have to search command prompt here. At first I have to search command prompt. Okay, and then open then I have to open it from run as administrator. Then yes, and I will use the two command, and then the file system error will sort out, and I can fix the file system error. At first I have to type sfc sfc scnn o w. Okay, then press enter. After that I have to click second command, chkdsk command, and chkdsk command, it will check your disk all correct, all the problems, and the chkdsk command will check your disk and correct all the problems, and it is completed. And after that after that I have to give the command for restart, and after restart your computer, your problem will sort out. So this is the command for restart my computer, and